Hi everyone, my name is Francesca, welcome to my channel. This time we will not prepare for the new month with my usual monthly printable kit, because in October I posted my Patreon page to work on my Etsy shop and its rebranding. So I decided to go back to the past and use watercolors on my bullet journal. Along with the watercolors, I will also use the acrylic paint pens that Artistro kindly sent me. The package contains 15 markers. The colors are really beautiful, they are vibrant but a bit pastel, and they can be used on many surfaces, such as glass and stone. Artistro also kindly gave me a discount code for you, which you can use in their Amazon stores to have a 10% off. I leave you all the links in the description box below. I think it's been at least 2 years since I used watercolors on my bullet journal, and I felt a little scared before starting. I decided to use warm and delicate tones and to paint dried flowers and leaves. For the cover I had already drawn a base with a pencil, and here I started painting the first leaves and flowers. I don't know if I will keep this theme for the whole month or if instead I will let myself be inspired each week by different themes. Anyway, I haven't used watercolors on a journal for so long that apparently I don't remember it takes a while to dry, and in fact here I touched the still wet flowers on the right side. Luckily I didn't do any serious damage and I was able to fix it easily. At this point, I started using acrylic pens. For my November, I will use a selection of colors to match the theme. First of all, I swatched them to have their shades on hand. Before using them, you need to shake them well, and on first use, press the tip a few times until the ink runs out. I decided to use the second color to draw the leaves of the flowers, and then with the orange pen I added touches of color. With the lightest pen, on the other hand, I made some details in the petals. The ink of these markers is super pigmented and dries fairly quickly. The finish is opaque, and I'm sure I will use these pens a lot in my spreads to make little doodles or add details. I have already tried to use them also on the acrylic paintings I do, and I really like them very much. If you are creative, I think they can be useful on many occasions. On the package there are also instructions on how to fix the colors when used on particular surfaces, such as ceramic for example. On the Artistro shop there are other collections, with thicker tips and with different colors. So if you feel intrigued by them, I suggest you take a look. To complete the page, I wrote November and I added some details and sparkles with watercolors. For my calendar, I used a different style from usual. I already tried it months ago, and I thought it will match the style of this month better. To draw the grid of my calendar, I used again the Artistro pens in 2 different colors. Here I painted flowers with the same style as before, but on this page I went freestyle without a base drawing, with the hope that something nice will come out. Anyway, as I told you at the beginning of the video, I took this month to do the rebranding of my Etsy shop, but in general of my entire image here on the internet. In fact, you can also see here on YouTube my new profile picture and the new header of the channel. What do you think? I also completely redesigned my little website. If you want to take a look, you can find the link in the description box and let me know if you like it. Beyond this, I also decided to create new sticker sheets for my shop. I haven't finished preparing all of them yet, but there will be an update soon. Many stickers that are currently in the shop will be taken out, but I will add many new ones. Here there are some of the ones I already printed. I like them very much. I hope you like them too. After completing the calendar with the dates and other details, I prepared a simple overview page. I used the collage stickers from the whole journal kit of August that perfectly matched the colors of this theme, and I drew on top of it a flower. I also painted another flower and some leaves, and the page is complete. For the first weekly, I drew square boxes for my days, and I decorated them with the acrylic pens and watercolors. Then my camera died, so you will see the result of this page at the end. Well, I hope you enjoyed this leap into the past. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I also wait for you in my Patreon community and on Instagram. I wish you a relaxing and cozy November. I can't believe it will be the last of this year, but see you next month. Bye!